heavy toward CAT Forestry. Caterpillar ended up selling off that division to the Weiler Group, and so far we have purchased 5 of their pieces of equipment. We really, really like what Pat Weiler and his gang have done with it.
Generally in my career, I have not been the guy to want to buy serial number 1 of any machine, but I had a lot of faith in the 521s and the updates that Weiler made. They took a good product and made it great.
Customer feedback is, for me, is where it all starts, because the more customer input, the more employee input, the more everybody input we get into that machine, the better it's going to be.
Being able to separate myself from just an operator to being part of the business, I can see a really big difference, and I'm happy overall with the machine.
The Weiler skidder is fast and powerful, very powerful. Transmission works very good. And for climb the mountain, just for climb the mountain, we can see the big difference.
I feel like I'm very efficient. I started this job here, and I've got about 4 hours invested in it, time-wise. Probably to compare to the last machine I'd probably have 6 hours in the same amount. So heads and tails more efficient and more power.
The fuel savings on these machines is dramatic. Especially on the bunchers, we're seeing between 25 to 35 gallons a day.
At least a 15–20% fuel decrease. So with fuel $5 or $6 a gallon, that definitely is a big saving.
At Weiler, we really strive to build exactly what the customer wants. Focused on simplifying the machines as much as possible and delivering exactly what's going to make the customer successful.
The cab definitely has plenty of room, so that's more comfortable, so your knees aren't banging against each other when you're sitting inside the machine.
It's a lot quieter, it's a lot more comfortable. You're in the machine 10–12 hours a day, so it really makes a difference to the operator.
Operators love the visibility. It's way bigger improvement than what they had. And we have an operator that's really straight, and if there's a problem, he'll tell us. He said, I can't find a real problem.
We base all of our product development off of customer feedback versus ideas from engineers. We need to make sure that those machines are working for the customers, and we build products for the Northeast based off of feedback that we've had in that region.
I had a customer say to me, we talked about a competitor of ours that said it would take 6 years for them to change a handle on how to get into a machine, where Weiler will do it in, 6 days.
We can develop product faster because we make everything in-house, so we can iterate faster. If we make a mistake, we can fix it faster because we're in control of it. We've got the assets here to build our own product and keep people running.
On a daily basis, we help support our customers in the field by breaking down parts assemblies, or even going to this extent of pulling parts off of built machines. We will move mountains and earth to make sure our customers are able to be up and running.